guys, this is Rahul, and as you know, I'm on this Triumph Street Triple RS, and we are here for the World of Triumph event at Kolkata. Let me show you around. Was working late night, so feeling very tired, but I have the solution to that.
With that refreshing hit of caffeine, we headed for the track.
This is okay, I have this bike.
That day was my first time ever on a Gymkhana track, and the insanely tight track with the flickable Speed 400 put me in a great mood that lasted for the rest of the day.
Following your line, so good man, so good.
I tried my hand with the other bikes as well. Truxton 400 was almost as good as the Speed 400, but I struggled the most with the Daytona 660. The combination of the tight track and the fact that I haven't ridden anything with clip-on handlebars since 2019 really made it hard. I loved the Street Triple RS. Despite the heavier weight and the front heavy weight distribution, the motorcycle behaved like a much smaller, nimble bike.
Okay, we almost nailed it without it being harder.
Done with the track, we headed to the other side for the off-road experience. Important note here, despite GST increasing, the price of made in India Triumph bikes remain unchanged. Company will absorb the GST impact and keep the same price for the end consumer. Then came the off-road part. Just like the track experience, mentors here guided the ride, and it was all very professional. We were taking it rather slow because we are not used to riding in the slush and mud on big heavy motorcycles.
Capture everything. Say, what are we gonna do?
So we had a great time, so you're probably gonna share a little bit of your experience.
You don't know anything?
Yeah.
We did this mic. Yeah. Boom mic.
Tell me,
What?
tell the camera, how was the experience?
Quite far, it's good. We have been tried
No ribbon cutting?
also.
No ribbon cutting?
Yeah, I thought that the event will be a ribbon cutting and a bike opening like this, but
It was amazing.
Yeah.
Real riding, real riders, for the real riders. For those of you who missed out, I know some of my friends who registered, chickened out at the last moment. You guys really
And
missed a
subscribe
lot.
my channel, okay? Garinda Loy.
Subscribe to her. I will put the link. I'll put the link. Yes, of course.
What?
He also has a channel. Go ahead and and say
Bindas
it.
that's it. Please do like, share and subscribe.
I'll put, if you
Don't
could not
forget
hear
to
them, I will
like-
put the links down below. Don't worry
to
about it.
subscribe my channel. Don't care about these two guys.
You upload the XR video.
She knows that.
Yeah, I'm gonna upload the extra. Please subscribe my channel only, okay?
So this is Rahul signing off from the world of
Hypocrisy.
Triumph.
This is hypocrisy. This is
Kolkata.
hypocrisy, guys.